Action.
You know, the preacher's added assault.
For him, not the law. Hell, I'm surprised at you, Pete. I gave you more credit for having more brains than Delmar.
There were witnesses saw us retained.
That's not the issue, Delmar. Even if it puts you square with the state of Mississippi, that's not the issue, Delmar. That's not the issue, Delmar. Even if it did put you square with the Lord, the state of Mississippi is a little more hard-nosed.
You should have joined us, Everett. Wouldn't hurt you none.
Hell, at least it would have washed away the stench of that pomade.
And join you two ignorant fools in a ridiculous superstition? Thank you anyway. I like the smell of my hair treatment, and the pleasing odor is just half the frickin' thing. And join you two fools in a ridiculous superstition? Thank you anyway. I like the smell of my hair treatment. The pleasing odor is half the reason. Baptism. You two dudes are dumber than a bag of hammers. Well, I guess that's my cross to bear.
Pull over, Everett. Let's give that colored boy a lift.
Y'all headed through to Tishomingo?
Sure, hop in.
All right. How you doing, boy? Name's Everett. These two soggy son of bitches are Pete and Delmar. Keep your hands away from Pete's mouth. He ain't had nothing to eat since for 13 years except prison food, a gopher, and a little greasy horse.
Oh, well, thanks for the lift, sir.
More energy.
Thank you for the lift, sir. My name's Tommy. Tommy Johnson.
How you doing, Tommy? I hadn't seen a house in miles. What you doing out in the middle of nowhere?
Oh, I had to be at those crossroads last midnight, selling soul to the devil.
Ain't this a small world? Spiritually speaking, anyway. You know, Pete and Delmar here's just been baptized and saved. I guess I'm the only one still here that's unaffiliated.
This ain't no laughing matter, Everett.
What never give you for your soul, Tommy?
Well, he taught me to play this guitar here real good.
Well, that you gave your ever-loving soul?
I wasn't using it.
I always wonder what the devil might look like.
Well, you know, Pete, there's all sorts of minor imps and demons, but the great Satan himself is red, scaly, has a variegated tail, and...
Oh, no, sir. He white. White as you folk. Got big mirrors for eyes and speaks with a deep, hollow voice. And walks around with a mean old hound.
And he told you to go to Tishomingo?
Oh, no, sir. That was my idea. Heard there's a man who pays to sing in a can. Pays you extra if you're singing real good.
How much does he pay?